for me, I wanted to do an IMAX film on tornadoes, and I wanted to get imagery with our IMAX camera that, you know, did justice to this incredible visual. So, you know, building a vehicle platform that can safely take an IMAX camera and a crew right next to and possibly in a tornado, that was our primary goal. Secondary was that, you know, when we were going to be in this kind of exotic location, to actually collect data, kind of what the winds were like, wind speed, direction, temperature, relative humidity. And so we were like a mobile weather station collecting data for the scientists that we were usually chasing with, the radar trucks.
Why do you do it? It's not for everybody, although it's kind of a cottage industry.
Well, you know, it's this adventure, you know. Here's an adventure you can have in the heart of America. You know, you don't have to travel to Australia, you know, to encounter great white sharks. This is something that you can hop in your car. For us, it's accessible and it's an adventure. You know, every day you don't know what you're going to get. You know, you don't know if the highlight of the day is going to be getting a hot dog from Conoco, or you see something that is just utterly mind-blowing. Something, when you are next to a large tornado, when you're within 100, 200 yards, it is one of the most incredible things that I've ever encountered. And to be able to capture that and show it, you know, to a larger audience, you know, the grandeur of the planet we live on, you know, we're kind of blessed to be able to go out and have that.